Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and I'm standing in front of a wonderful renovation located at 1136 Patrick Drive in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website at www.davidhomesforsale.com. It's number 4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in greater detail and high definition. We'll take a closer look. Pretty brick veneer, brand new roof as of this year, 2018. Big front porch with a decorative front door. 1-car garage and an extra parking pad there. There's the front door, and let's step inside to the living room. Fans and blinds throughout the house. Fresh paint inside and out. These are laminate floors. And here's the dining area and kitchen. And this kitchen really pops. Here's the first side of it, with brand new stainless steel appliances, granite counters, subway tile backsplash with a mosaic band in the middle. There's a pendant light over the sink. There's track lighting. And here's a closer look at these beautiful counters and backsplash. And here's the other side of the kitchen. And that's the door to the garage. A security system is installed. And this could be an office nook, or maybe a breakfast nook. And this leads to a big deck and the backyard, which is fenced in and has some good privacy with no neighbors to the rear. And there's a big storage shed there. And next is the master bedroom with a walk-in closet there. And this really is a spacious master bedroom. Here's the master bath with some custom tile work starting the floor. Gorgeous vanity. And the tile work continues to this tiled shower with a jetted shower, aka the human car wash. Look at all these jets and bands. A little mirror there. Sprinkler head. That's a serious shower. And here's another look at the master. This is huge. Here's the living room again. And down this hallway, there's 3 more bedrooms. And another full bath. Here's the 3rd bedroom and the 4th bedroom. Thanks for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 for your own private tour of this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.